Now given a y function is this, we have to find the differential of this. So first of all, dy by dx equals to, first we have to apply this formula, because this itself is a function x raised to power something. So 1 by 2 this raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 multiply by d by dx of this internal function, which is a fraction function. So this part will becomes 1 by 2 1 plus x square over 1 minus x square. So 1 by 2 minus 1 becomes 1 by 2. So this becomes this part. So let's assume this part is capital X. So we'll, and this multiply by d by dx of 1 plus x square over 1 minus x square. So let's first focus on this part. So this becomes 1 minus x square, which is v, differential of 1 plus x square minus u, which is the numerator, 1 plus x square, differential of denominator, which is 1 minus x square d by dx, divided by 1 minus x square whole square. So this is just the denominator and numerator differential rule. So this becomes 2x, because the differential of 1 is 0 and x square is 2x minus 1 plus x square, and this becomes minus 2x over 1 minus x square whole square. And if I take 2x common, so this becomes 1 minus x square, and then this minus will become plus into 1 plus x square over 1 minus x square whole square. So this x square will cancel. So this becomes 2x multiplied by 2 over 1 minus x square whole square. So which becomes 4x over 1 minus x square whole square. And we have to substitute all of this value here, and we know the value of x is this, which is 1 by 2 1 plus x square 1 minus x square raised to power minus 1 by 2 multiply by 4x 1 minus x square raised to power 2. Because this is minus, this power can go up, and then this 2 cancels here, so this becomes 2x over 1 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2 multiply by 1 minus x square raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x square whole square. Now this can come down. 2 minus 1 by 2 will become 3 by 2. So 2x over 1 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2 multiply by 1 minus x square raised to power 3 by 2. So this is the answer. So in this question we apply a chain rule. So because of chain rule, first we differentiate this x raised to power 1 by 2, and then this capital X, then we have to denominator and numerator form, and then we differentiate using the differentiation of fraction rule. So this is how we solve it. Thank you.